Hey credit cousins, so let's talk about this 30,000 credit card that you can get approved at PSECU, Pennsylvania State Employee Credit Union. So many of my credit cousins wanted to know more about the credit card at PSECU, like what their features were and what their perks were. So in this video, I'll be sharing my top favorite credit card with PSECU, which is the Founders Rewards credit card. This credit card is fairly simple to use when it comes to it being a cash rewards credit card, which is my favorite type of credit card when the annual fee is $0. And that's what the Founder Rewards credit card offers. If you decide to hold this credit card, you can get cash rewards on literally every purchase with no category restrictions. The cashback rewards is a 1.5% to a 2% in cash rewards on every purchase. So that basically means every purchase you make, you can get 1.5% to 2% cash back every time you swipe. One thing I love about credit cards like this is it can literally become your everyday credit card. A cash rewards credit card is literally my everyday credit card for me, and I only carry a cash rewards credit card because I love to stack up reward points for like investing and saving. Who wouldn't want to spend money and you can still make money on top of the money you spend? That's a no-brainer for me, and it should be a no-brainer for you. This credit card also makes you save more and become stress-free when you may need to do a balance transfer because it's a $0 PSECU balance transfer fee. But that's not all. There is no expiration date on this balance transfer. For example, the Navy Federal Platinum credit card is a $0 balance transfer for only 12 months, whereas this PSECU Founders Rewards credit card has no expiration date on the balance transfer fee of being $0. Talk about paying your other credit card bills on time in peace and saving money on other interest charges. That's a no-brainer as well. So this credit limit does go up to $30,000 max if you are approved for this credit card. And if you hold a $5,000 or more credit limit, then as a card holder, since this credit card is a Visa Signature credit card, you are automatically enrolled in a Visa Signature benefits. And let me go over a few. These benefits include auto rental collision damage waiver, which can cover theft, damage, valid loss of use charges imposed and sustained by the auto rental company. This card also offers roadside assistance and roadside dispatcher, where they will ask where you are, what the problem is, and will remain on the phone while they are looking for a reliable tow operator or a locksmith if you have any like road problems. Travel and emergency assistance service is also available, where they are made available to help you in case of emergency while you are traveling away from home. The Benefits Administration can connect you with the appropriate local emergency and assistance resources 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. So there are benefits that can be available to you when using this credit card. I will leave more in-depth information on these benefits in the description below because it does all have more in-depth rules on how you should take action when wanting to get provided with these benefits. So it's very important to know what your card offers. Also, even though this credit union is located in Pennsylvania, they do allow cash advances to access your funds through nearly 30,000 in-network surcharge-free ATMs worldwide, and the cash advance fee is currently at $0. Also, this credit card does have a standard rate of 12.65% APR. So if you are approved for this credit card, just know that your APR will be 12.65% for the credit card APR rate. Well, with that being said, I hope this video gave you some more insight on the Founders Rewards credit card at PSECU. And if you decided to get this credit card, let me know down in the comment section your results and data points to help one another. Make sure to stay tuned on the classic credit card review. And if you didn't know, a lot of my credit cousins are in the private group where we talk about building credit card, high limit credit cards like this, where we share data points. So make sure you join the group. The link is in the description below and in the pinned comments so that you can join right away. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, in collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.